Hello and welcome to another episode of EV Equity Edge. Today we're exploring the Chinese EV giant, Nio, as they gear up for their exciting Nio Power Day on Thursday. As we cruise through today's market performance, we'll also be discussing the latest news and determining the support and resistance levels for the days ahead. Buckle up as we power up your knowledge on Nio. Nio opened at $10.30, slightly lower than yesterday's close of $10.54. Throughout the day, we witnessed some fluctuations, with the stock reaching a high of $10.63 and a low of $10.21. Ultimately, Nio closed at $10.56, showing a modest increase of 0.19%. Analyzing the range, we observed a 3.98% difference between the daily high and low, indicating some intraday volatility. However, the overall change remained relatively small, reflecting a relatively stable trading session. Considering the volume, today's trading activity was lighter compared to the average volume. We saw a daily volume of 28.81 million shares traded, which is below the average of 55.28 million. Lower trading volume can sometimes suggest reduced investor participation or a lack of significant market-moving catalysts. Let's now reflect on yesterday's points of resistance and support. The stock remained within the expected range, failing to break through the resistance levels of $10.77, $10.99, and $11.17. On the downside, the support levels at $10.39, $10.23, and $10.01 held firm, preventing the stock from declining further. It's worth noting that today's price action and the interaction with the support and resistance levels demonstrate a level of consolidation and a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. As the stock remains range-bound, investors will closely monitor any potential catalysts that could drive Nio's price in either direction. In summary, Nio's price action today displayed a relatively stable trading session, with the stock closing slightly higher. The range, though exhibiting intraday volatility, was within expectations. We continue to observe the significance of the support and resistance levels, as they play a crucial role in defining the stock's short-term price movements. As we move forward, investors will eagerly anticipate any developments that could potentially break the current consolidation phase and pave the way for a new trend. Let's delve into the latest news surrounding Nio stock and analyze its potential impact. It's fascinating to explore the ownership structure of the company, as it reveals valuable insights into investor influence. Retail investors hold a substantial 50% stake, indicating that their decisions and sentiments play a pivotal role in Nio's performance. On the other hand, institutions own 33% of the company, bringing credibility and validation to Nio in the investment community. This diverse ownership base, coupled with the top 25 shareholders owning 42% of the company, highlights a wide range of stakeholders with a vested interest in Nio's success. Looking ahead, Nio Power Day 2023 is a highly anticipated event that holds great significance for Nio. Scheduled for July 20th, this annual event will showcase Nio's latest advancements in energy replenishment systems. A focal point of this year's event is the introduction of the 150 kWh semi-solid-state battery pack, which is expected to be a game-changer in terms of range and performance. This innovative battery technology has generated significant excitement among investors and EV enthusiasts, as it demonstrates Nio's commitment to pushing the boundaries of sustainable mobility. Let's delve into the latest news surrounding Nio stock and analyze its potential impact. It's fascinating to explore the ownership structure of the company, as it reveals valuable insights into investor influence. Retail investors hold a substantial 50% stake, indicating that their decisions and sentiments play a pivotal role in Nio's performance. On the other hand, institutions own 33% of the company, bringing credibility and validation to Nio in the investment community. This diverse ownership base, coupled with the top 25 shareholders owning 42% of the company, highlights a wide range of stakeholders with a vested interest in Nio's success. Looking ahead, Nio Power Day 2023 is a highly anticipated event that holds great significance for Nio. Scheduled for July 20th, this annual event will showcase Nio's latest advancements in energy replenishment systems. A focal point of this year's event is the introduction of the 150 kWh semi-solid-state battery pack, which is expected to be a game-changer in terms of range and performance. This innovative battery technology has generated significant excitement among investors and EV enthusiasts as it demonstrates Nio's commitment to pushing the boundaries of sustainable mobility. The impact of these developments on Nio's stock price is crucial to analyze. The ownership structure, with retail investors holding a significant stake, means that their sentiments and actions can heavily influence the stock's performance. Positive reception and enthusiasm surrounding Nio Power Day 2023, particularly with the introduction of the 150 kWh battery pack, could instill confidence in investors and potentially drive the stock price higher. Additionally, the event serves as an opportunity for Nio to showcase its technological advancements, positioning itself as a frontrunner in the EV industry. Moreover, Nio's track record of previous Nio Power Day events demonstrates their commitment to innovation and expanding their infrastructure. Past events unveiled ambitious plans such as a global battery swap station network and ultra-fast charging technology. These initiatives have solidified Nio's reputation as a forward-thinking company capable of delivering on its promises. Investors will closely monitor Nio Power Day 2023 and its subsequent impact on the market. Positive announcements and a strong market response could contribute to renewed investor confidence and potentially drive the stock price towards its target of $15. However, it's important to consider market dynamics and broader industry trends, as they can also influence Nio's stock performance. In summary, Nio's ownership structure and the upcoming Nio Power Day 2023 event offer valuable insights into the company's direction and technological advancements. The active participation of retail investors, coupled with the unveiling of the 150 kWh battery pack, has the potential to fuel investor optimism and drive the stock price higher. As the event approaches, investors and industry observers will closely analyze Nio's progress, further shaping the market's perception and future expectations. Now let's shift our focus to the anticipated price action and how Nio might react to the upcoming levels of support and resistance. These levels can provide valuable insights into potential price movements in the near term. Looking at the resistance levels, we have $10.72, $10.89, and $11.14. These price levels have historically acted as barriers where selling pressure has been significant, preventing the stock from moving higher. If Nio approaches these resistance levels in the coming days, we may see increased selling activity and potential price pullbacks. It's crucial to monitor how the stock reacts when approaching these resistance levels, as a breakthrough could signal a bullish sentiment and the potential for further upward movement. On the support side, we have $10.30, $10.05, and $9.88. These levels have proven to provide a floor for the stock, attracting buying interest and preventing significant downward movements. If Nio approaches these support levels, we may see increased buying activity and potential price bounces. It's essential to watch how the stock behaves when testing these support levels, as a breakdown could indicate a bearish sentiment and the possibility of further downside. As traders and investors, it's important to keep a close eye on these support and resistance levels, as they can serve as key decision points for market participants. A successful breakthrough of a resistance level could trigger additional buying interest and propel the stock higher. Conversely, a decisive breakdown of a support level could lead to increased selling pressure and push the stock lower. In summary, Nio's upcoming price action will likely be influenced by the levels of resistance at $10.72, $10.89, and $11.14, as well as the levels of support at $10.30, $10.05, and $9.88. Paying attention to how the stock behaves around these levels can provide valuable insights into potential shifts in market sentiment and the direction of Nio's price movement. And that wraps up our take on Nio for today. Don't miss their Power Day this Thursday. If you're excited about it, hit the like button and subscribe to EV Equity Edge for more EV news. Join the conversation in the comments. Also, don't miss our episodes on Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, and Mullen. Until next time, keep electrifying your portfolio.